The Porsche 992 is the internal designation for the 8th generation of the rear-engine sports car produced by the German automobile manufacturer Porsche. It was officially introduced at the Porsche Experience Center, Los Angeles on November 27, 2018. It will launch in European markets in early 2019. Specifications: Porsche 992, rear view. The models initially unveiled in the 992 lineage include the Carrera S and the Carrera 4S. The 992 uses rack and pinion steering and has a McPherson strut front suspension and a multi-link rear suspension. The 992 has wide rear wheel arches which will be a part of every model in the 992 lineage, a change only found one all-wheel drive variants of the 911 previously, along with 19-inch wheels. Compared to its predecessor, the 992 is 45 mm wider and now uses aluminium body panels. The 992 also has a new rear bumper with larger exhaust tips than its predecessor. The front of the car is designed to mimic the appearance of an early 911 in a modern fashion. 992 models have electrical pop-out door handles, a retractable rear spoiler, for specific models only, and LED headlights. All models also feature a full-length rear light bar. The interior also has received significant changes, including a straighter dashboard which harks back to the shape of the dashboard used on the classic 911. The instrument cluster consists of two 7-inch digital displays and an analog tachometer. The engines have biso-injection, a revised intake system, and, in some markets under Euro 6 regulations, have engine particulate filters. The available transmissions are an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. Equipment. Interior. Standard equipment includes a 10.9-inch display with Porsche communication management and navigation system, and driver assistance systems including collision detection with braking intervention. A wet mode feature is also introduced on the 992 which uses acoustic sensors on the wheel wells to detect wet pavement and adjusts the stability control, the rear wing position, and gearbox responsiveness to keep the car stable. Optional equipment includes adaptive cruise control, night vision, automatic parking, and sports suspension which lowers the car by 10 mm. A Sport Chrono package is also available on all models and features an overboost function that provides increased performance for 20 seconds. 0 to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, acceleration times are decreased by 0.2 second. The first models to be announced in the 992 lineage are the Carrera S and Carrera 4S. Both of the models are powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine.